Hey everyone! If your iPhone battery started draining fast after the iOS 18.3, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the big fixes that actually work. So after update, many users experience a higher background activity and power usage. Sometimes it increased the battery drain up to 20 to 30% due to the system changes and apps running more in the background. But don't worry, here's what you need to do immediately. First, go to the settings and click the battery. And look for the apps using too much power. Some apps are not customized yet after the update. Now, go to General and go to the background app refresh. Turn it off apps that you don't need. This is one of the biggest battery drain causes the iOS 18.3. And after that, you can go to the privacy and security and select the location services and limit apps to while using instead of always. Also, you can turn the low power mode earlier. iOS 18.3 change how it works, so activating it sooner can change more battery. You can also edit the auto brightness in order to fix or not to drain the battery. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.